The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, trip computer, clock, power brakes, child safety locks, daytime running lights, brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.